From Daily Forex, this is Chris taking a look at dollar yen and Aussie dollar. Dollar yen, as you can see, initially tried to rally during the day, fell, and then bounced, and then kind of just went nowhere. This, in fact, over the last, as I'm looking at some of my displays, over the last 24 hours, we have lost a total of 13 pips. So the markets are just doing nothing. That makes sense. There's no news out there to push things around. And of course, the 200-day and the 50-day EMA are both kind of coming towards each other. So it is possible that we see this market continue to show choppiness. Now, I think this area here has to be paid attention to from 109.5 to 110. And if we can break above there, then we can go much higher. Probably the 100% fib via the 111 level that features a gap. If we break down below the 50-day EMA, 108 would be your first target. And I wouldn't be surprised at all to see a little bit of a pullback here. It's not a shortable event. It just offers value underneath. The Aussie, it initially fell due to an RBA meeting minutes that suggested that quite a few members are saying that a rate cut isn't off the table. However, the Australian dollar doesn't really move on anything in Australia. It tends to move on US-China these days. And therefore, that sell-off was negated and they turned around. To me, this looks like a market that's trying to turn around in general. So I think we're going to go looking towards the 200-day EMA. Not a big fan of trading this right now unless you can trade it with very small position. And plan on hanging on to it for months, probably, because we could be getting a trend change, but this is going to be a very messy and noisy affair.